y'all, it's Jamie with JVI Secret Gardens. I'm coming to you today to talk about how to keep some unwanted pests, mosquitoes, out of your yard the natural way. So I'll start with the easiest one. This is the Citronella plant. Citronella is actually closely related to the geranium. You can kind of see they have similarly shaped foliage. This doesn't bloom, but, and I know you can't smell this, if you rub the leaves, it gets a nice lemony scent to it. The lemony scent is great for humans. Mosquitoes hate it. So plant it all around your yard, wherever you're sitting. I like to put a pot of it in the middle of my patio table so we can sit out at night, smell the lemony scent, and keep the mosquitoes away. This isn't annual in our zone, but it's pretty cheap, so I just buy a couple plants every year and spread them around. Another annual that's really easy to grow here in Zone 7, and also keeps mosquitoes away, is lemongrass. Lemongrass, again, if you're catching on to the theme, it's lemon. Mosquitoes don't like it. Lemongrass will help keep your mosquito friends away. And bonus, because you can also cook with it. It's used in a lot of Asian and Thai dishes, so you can keep away the mosquitoes while you guys enjoy a nice Asian-inspired dinner on your deck. Another annual that helps repel mosquitoes and other pests is our friend the marigold. Marigolds are really bright and cheery. They don't have the lemony scent that I was mentioning earlier, but they do kind of have a stronger scent. Not necessarily the most pleasant to humans, but it's also not pleasant to mosquitoes either. I actually like to plant these around my garden. 1, they increase pollination. 2, they keep pests out of my garden. And 3, I like to cut them and use them in bouquets when I eat dinner from my garden. So this one's actually a perennial that helps repel mosquitoes, and it's our friend Lavender. Lavender is really cool. It likes really, really well-drained soil and a lot of sun. And if you get the right variety, like I said, it can be a perennial. Again, the aromatherapy benefits for humans are amazing, but if you kind of get the theme of this, mosquitoes don't like the smell. So great for humans, bad for mosquitoes. It's perfect. And one last thing I wanted to mention, we actually have this guy back in our pond plant section, so you can plant it in your pond or waterfall or water feature. It's called a pitcher plant. Now, pitcher plant doesn't necessarily repel mosquitoes, they actually eat them. It's a carnivorous plant, so if the mosquitoes get around them, this guy's just gonna eat them, which is kind of cool. So you can also plant these and help keep mosquitoes out of your yard. And there you have it, folks. Those are some natural ways to keep mosquitoes out of your yard this summer. Plant a few of the plants, you'll have the best smelling yard on the block, and everyone will want to hang out at your house because you don't have any mosquitoes. If y'all ever have questions or want to pick up any of the plants I mentioned, we're always here at the Garden Center. Stop in, talk to one of our associates. We're happy to answer questions. And that's all I got for today. Y'all know the drill. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Drop in the comments what you're doing to repel mosquitoes out of your yard or any questions that we might be able to answer for you. Again, we're happy to help. That's all I got for today. Coming to you from JVI Secret Gardens, I'm Jamie. Thanks for watching.